How's it going, everybody? Hope you guys are having a good week, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Zach, and I'm an owner and operator of an HVAC company based out of Nashville, Tennessee. So if you're not a subscriber, consider doing so. So I get a lot of people asking me about my package unit dollies. So I figured I would make a video on how I make one to where you guys can make one yourself, or you can reach out to me and I can make one for you. So I'm going to be leaving a cut list down in the description for you. You can refer to that throughout the video to get the sizing and dimensions of all the material. I want to be fully transparent with you guys. I am not a master welder. I'm just a beginner. So if you see anything that I'm doing that I could be doing better, please let me know down in the description below. I'm always open to learning. Well, I hope you guys enjoy the video. Let's do some work. So there you go, guys. That's my process on how I make these package unit dollies. All I gotta do now is give it a coat of primer and paint and it's good to go. I'm gonna leave my email down in the description below. If you guys have any questions or if you want me to make one for you, feel free to reach out to me. This dolly is a game changer for me. Being a one-man operation and I can move those units around all by myself, set them in place, it's phenomenal. And I think you guys are gonna absolutely love it as well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And as always, I really appreciate you guys watching and we'll see you guys on the next video.